In digital economy, businesses often depend heavily on advertisement such as social media ads and search engine advertising. While these tools can generate fast result, they can also require continuous financial investment. Therefore, it is important for businesses to learn alternative methods that allow them how attract customers organically, meaning without paying for advertising. During this season, we will examine the concept of organic marketing and discuss several practical strategies that businesses can use to grow their customer base. Now we're talking about the challenge of customer acquisition. Before discussing solution, we must first understand the challenges. Customers acquisition is one of the most difficult tasks for businesses today. Markets are highly competitive and many companies compete for the same audience. Advertising costs on major digital platforms have increased significantly over time. As a result, many small businesses struggle to maintain consistent advertising campaigns. When business rely on advertising, their growth became dependent on the market budget. If the budget decreases, the visibility on the business can decrease. Therefore, company must adopt sustainable marketing strategy that do not rely entity on paid promotion. Okay, now we can talking about organic marketing. Let's start. Organic marketing refers to marketing activities that generate attention and customer interest without direct payment for advertising space. Instead of pursuing visibility, business focus on creative value for their audience. This value may come from useful information, helpful advice, or meaningful engagement with potential customers. Although organic marketing usually requires more time to product result, it creates stronger relationship and long-term brand credibility. Now we can talk about the strategy. Okay, number one, content creation. The first organic strategy is content creation. Business can share education and informative content related to their products, service, or industries. Example include guides, tutorials, explanation, or practical advice that help people solve common problems. When business consistency share useful information, they gradually position themselves as trusted expert in their field. Over time, this trust encourages potential customers to choose their product or services. Strategy number 2, social media communication. The second strategy involves active communication on social media platforms. Social media is not only a place for promotion, it is also a place for conversation. Business should interact their audience by responding to questions, acknowledging comments, and participating in discussion. This type of engagement humanizes the business and builds stronger connection with their potential customers. Strategy number 3, community participation. Another effective organic strategy is participation in relevant online communities. Those communities may include professional groups, discussion forums, or industry specific networks. And business representatives contribute helpful answer and professional insight. Without those communities, they demonstrate expertise. As other members begin to trust their knowledge, they may eventually become customers and recommend the business to others. Strategy number 4, local online visibility. For business that operate in a specific location, improving local online visibility is extremely important. Many customers search online for nearby products or service. Maintaining accurate business listing, encouraging satisfied customers to leave review, and regularly update business information increase the chance that potential customers will discover the business. This approach can generate new customers without paid promotion. Strategy number 5, customers relationships development. Another critical component of organic growth is building strong relationships with existing customers. Satisfied customers often become repeat buyer and may recommend the business to others. Providing excellent service, responding to feedback, and maintain communications with customer strength these relationships. This process naturally generate word of mouth marketing, which is one of the most powerful form of organic promotions. Okay, now we can talk about benefits of organic customers acquisition. Organic marketing offers several advantages. First, it's reduced marketing expense because business are not required to pay for advertisement. Second, it supports long-term business growth by building a stable audience and brand reputation. Third, organic strategy strength customer trust, which is essential for maintain loyalty and long-term success. Okay, now we can talk about key success of factors. However, organic marketing is not an instant process. It requires consistent efforts, high quality content, and authentic engagement with customers. Business that remain patient and maintain consistent communications with their audience will gradually see the result of their effort. Okay, now we can summarize today's lectures. Business not only always need paid advertisement to attract customers. By focusing on value creation, community participation, customers relationships, and strong online presence. Okay, thanks for your attention. Thank you very much.